AI influencer videos are going viral everywhere right now. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, everywhere you scroll, you'll see hyper-realistic AI creators gaining millions of views. And today, I'll show you how you can create your own AI influencer videos using Seedance 2.0, even if you have zero editing experience. By the end of this video, you'll know. Let's be honest. People are obsessed with AI content right now. Why? Because AI influencers look futuristic, cinematic, and sometimes even more polished than real creators. Brands are already using virtual influencers for, and the craziest part? Most viewers can't even tell the difference anymore. Seedance 2.0 is an advanced AI video generation tool that can create highly realistic motion videos from simple prompts. You type what you want, and the AI turns it into cinematic footage. For example, boom, the AI generates the video. What makes Seedance 2.0 special is... Now let me show you the basic workflow. The prompt is everything. Instead of writing, write. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. Paste the prompt into Seedance 2.0. Choose, then click Generate. Usually within minutes, you'll get a stunning AI video. Now this is where the magic happens. Use. This makes the content feel premium and viral ready. If you want your AI influencer videos to actually blow up, follow these tips. Don't just generate random clips. Create mini stories. Trending sounds massively boost reach on TikTok and Instagram. 7 to 20 seconds works best for viral content. One viral video can change everything, but consistent uploads are what grow an audience. Here's how creators are making money with AI influencer content. And honestly, this space is still very early. AI influencer videos are not just a trend anymore. They're becoming a new category of content creation. And tools like Seedance 2.0 are making it easier than ever to create cinematic viral videos from just text prompts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. AI Creator if you want more AI content tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.